EELA, E-Infrastructure Shared Between Europe and Latin America, is a collaboration project among 10 countries and 21 institutions from Latin America and Europe. Training activities play a crucial role in this scope, providing the necessary skills to the users and allowing them to properly utilize the available grid infrastructure at all levels. Knowledge is power. Knowledge dissemination is empowerment.
This project is working on the creation of a grid infrastructure based on GEAN and Red Clara networking for the deployment and development of advanced applications in the field of biomedicine, climate, e-education, and high-energy physics.
Carrying out tutorials for grid users and administrators, EELA is contributing to further disseminate the project and benefits of the grid technologies. Providing advanced training from novice to experienced users, special knowledge to site administrators and other technical personnel, and allowing potential users to learn, practice and experiment a grid environment, 9 tutorials and a grid school were developed during the first year of EELA. Of course, these were supported by the produced and shared training material. Argentina, Brazil, Chile, Mexico, Venezuela and Spain were all countries where the tutorials took place. In there, EELA spread its knowledge and formed local training teams that today are able to spread by themselves on what they have learned about the grid technology, inducting new users and making bigger the EELA scope of action and its community. Year 2006 ended with a big challenge, the first EELA Grid School. EGRIS 1 was held on the Brazilian island of Itacoruçá, where 25 people, grouped in 8 development teams from different countries, learned how to gratify applications. Complete grid infrastructure was settled in that small tropical island. 70 nodes and 10 megabits per second internet connection were provided for the students, tutors, and local organisers that shared a unique experience. The students managed to port 8 new applications to the grid. A huge success for EELA, a success that will be followed by the second EELA Grid School, which will be held in Venezuela in the second year of the project.
The EELA project is about international cooperation for the benefit of e-science and to reduce the digital gap between Europe and Latin America. The key enablers of this transfer of know-how are dissemination, training, and education. In this short video, you're going to see what the project has been doing so far and the amazing results we have achieved.
Held in Santiago of Chile on September the 4th and 5th, the first EELA conference was developed around the collaboration with other grid projects, its activity status, grid communities and applications, and the Red Clara status. With more than 25 presentations, a fruitful dialogue about the future of Red Clara, and the participation of about 100 attendees, the first conference was not only a success, it also showed the evident collaborative potential and liaisons that exist between Latin America and Europe.
The EELA conference is a landmark in the lifetime of the project. More than 120 people came to discuss the present activities in the project, but also, and more importantly, to define a roadmap for the long-term sustainability of e-infrastructures and e-science in Latin America.
Several dissemination material and tools have been developed. The EELA website, posters, brochures, and bulletins that communicate to all the EELA community, to the most important related projects and also the Clara community. All the news about the EELA project development are some of the examples of the work that has been done. Grid technology is revolutionizing the information technology and communications, and EELA, by stimulating cooperation and disseminating knowledge, is helping to open up that new horizon for the scientific development of Latin America.